In this video, we will talk about Python identifiers. Identifiers are just a name given to a variable, class, module, or an object, which means it is a name given to any sort of components of Python. Let's see this with an example. Say I'll take I and it will point to a string India India. Okay, now I is called a variable and a variable has a name that is I itself a name to this particular component, say variable. Why are we talking about this? Because Python has certain rules while writing a name to a variable or a class or module or specifically identifiers. So these are the rules. Identifiers should not start with numbers. This is not recommended. Not recommended, no, that's not right. This is not at all supported in Python. But you can start with underscore. This is absolutely right. You can start with capital letter. This is absolutely right. You can start with a small letter. That is fine. Also, you can followed by underscore. You can write numbers. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Also, you can end with underscore. Not just one, but double, triple. So let's see this with an example. I'll assign this first variable with say name Arjun, okay, and the second with say address Mysore, and the third one with some roll number, say 0001. I'll save this. Below, I'll try to access each one of them. 0%. Okay, print the last one. Save it. Identifiers.py, run it, and there you go. Thanks for watching.